What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy S24 unboxing and first impressions of this device. It's been a while since I've reviewed the vanilla S model. The last one was the Galaxy S21. I also do have the S24 Ultra. That's going to be a separate video, so definitely be sure to stay subscribed or subscribe if you haven't already to check that out for my unboxing and first impressions. And I also do have right here the vegan leather case for the S24 and the anti-reflecting screen protector that I will most likely install. But again, this vegan leather case is probably going to be for a separate video. I want to have a separate video just for the cases. So let's get right into it. I just got these in the mail. Well, actually, I got them during the daytime while I was at work, but let's peel these off, and these are now easier to peel off than they were before, going the way of Apple. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy. Oh, I'm super excited. Now, I picked up the marble gray color, and I did pick this up because of you guys. You guys voted, and you guys chose which color to pick, and this one came out on top. So there's, I think it was over like 1,000 votes in the 1,000, somewhere around there, of which color. And wow, this, you guys made a great choice, because right off the bat, this right here is a clean phone. Oh, this feels really good in the hand. Wow, I absolutely love this. This is gorgeous. Now this phone is super cold, so you can definitely see my fingerprints, or at least I hope you can, but let's put that aside too, that little sticker right there. But wow, this is a clean phone. The fact that it's full flat edges, I really like this. I really do like this. Let's peel this off. Oh, wow. Now, I'm gonna put this aside just for a moment, see what else is in the box. Right here is nothing. We get everything in here. It's just the same things that we know of. So we're just gonna pull it out. SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and we're getting a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, a quick rundown of specs. We're getting a flatter design. It's more refined. I still really like the look of this. We're getting Gorilla Glass. We're getting a 6.1-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, 2,600 nits of maximum brightness, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage options, 5G, Android 14 with One UI 6.1, 7 years of software updates. But Samsung calls it 7 years of generational updates. So hopefully that's going to turn out to be software updates, and we're going to be getting software updates until 2031. A triple camera setup with a 50, 12, and a 10 megapixel, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 25 watts of fast charging. It does have wireless charging and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and boot this up. But from the looks of it, just picking it up, first impressions like of the feel in the hand, I think this is probably going to be a great quote-unquote compact. It's not like, here's the thing, 6.1 inch is not really that compact. The last year's compact phone for me was the Asus Zenfone 10. That had a 5.9 inch display. So I'm gonna make a video comparing the two. But right now this feels like easily a one-handed device. So I'm gonna go ahead and start up this device, and I'll be right back. All right, so we are back. I just did initial setup just to share with you guys my first impressions of this. And I gotta say, ooh, this is smooth, this is clean. I like the look and feel of this. It's very thin bezels. Again, I love these flatter edges all around. Yes, it's going the route of the iPhone. And I think 2024 may be like the flat edges of Android devices. I don't know, the leaked Pixel 9 is looking like that too. But I absolutely love this design. It's clean, it's more refined, and seriously, kudos to Samsung for bringing a great overall design. And they've kept this specific design since the Galaxy S22 with the individual camera cutouts. But overall, like I said, it's very great to hold in the hand. 6.1 inch display. If you don't want a really large display, this might be it. And I think this, for me, Samsung has always been the Android of iPhone, but that's just been me. Many might disagree, but that's okay. I don't know. I just feel like this is the Samsung of iPhone. But honestly, I would definitely check it out. $799 starting price, and this marble gray is great. It doesn't come with aluminum, or it doesn't come with titanium. It comes with aluminum. It doesn't come with titanium. That's reserved for the Ultra model. That's $1299. And before I got to unboxing this phone, actually before I got home, I was watching Marquez's video on the S23 Ultra, and overall, it's a positive phone. Or S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra. See, I'm just so excited. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. S24 Ultra, and you can get a lot of what the S24 Ultra offers in the Galaxy S24. You don't want that larger display? Okay, that's fine. You don't want the S Pen? Okay, that's fine. You still want a great display. You still want the great software support. You still want great cameras, even though it doesn't have the same telephoto lens. You're still getting 80–90% of what the S24 Ultra offers in a smaller form factor at a cheaper price. I think that's great, and I don't know. I know some people who use the Galaxy S23, like the vanilla model, and they're really happy with it. And they said that they'd keep going with this specific size. They wouldn't upgrade at all to the S24 Ultra. In fact, I had a friend call me last night to ask if he should upgrade to the Galaxy S24 Plus or the Ultra, and his end result was he's going to upgrade to the S24 Plus because he's getting 90% of what the Ultra offers for $300 off, and that's one of the points that Marquez did point out in his video. But I gotta say, a lot of content is coming on this, so definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Super excited. Thank you guys for voting and choosing this marble gray color. You really have to kind of see in person. I think the video doesn't really do it justice. It's not really a white, but I'm happy with this gray. I'm happy with this marble gray. It definitely, well, at least in the renders, looks better than the yellow that they had too. And I didn't really want to go with the black either, so this was actually one I personally wanted to go with, and you guys chose. So, lots of content, like I said, coming soon. If you haven't, definitely be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It'll help push my content out to more people. That's been it from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.